hijacked your deal and now you might say to yourself, well, they already told him they got to think about it. They didn't tell you. I'm going to say it again. They already told him they got to think about it. He started some stuff, created some doubt, and now they need to talk about this. He put your butt in a hole. You're in a hole because here's you. You're sad. Well, I've made you happy. Now I'm going to make you sad. You're in a hole because he ran his mouth and they need to think about it. Don't call them back and put yourself back in the hole by saying, hey, I just wanted to see how it's going with thinking about it. Wanted to see if you had any questions. Wanted to deliver an insight, which is a step back. It's not in the hole, but it's a little bit better, but you're still going back in time, right? Just pretend like the hole's not there. Hey, calling to see if it makes sense for us to get the AI-based telephony there in your call center so you guys can improve your customer satisfaction scores, helping you hit your 25 goals ahead of schedule or whatever it is. Hopefully you know what the hell they want to do. If you don't, on your future deals, where are you guys at in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be, right? If it's customers, where are you at in terms of your net promoter score? Where do you want to be, right? Know what those things, what those needles are, figure out where they're at in the needle, right? Make them tell you, oh yeah, we talked to Tony. Remember we had that meeting with Tony. We wanted to still look at it. Got it. What's a good next step? Well, we're looking it over in-house, Ken. Perfect. What's a good next step for me, right? Give me, what is today? Thursday. Give me a call Tuesday next week. Perfect. I'll call you Tuesday next week. How about we do this too? I've got a few notes from that last conversation. I'll summarize my understanding of the current situation, capabilities needed, and then I'm going to suggest some next steps in terms of getting this in there so we can improve your net promoter score. Fair enough? Yeah. Take your deal back. Take it back. Right? The best way for you to take it back is to go, does it make sense to blank? Call them right now after this. There's nothing wrong with that. They're not going to be like, we already told Tommy. And if they do say that, go, awesome. What's a good next step for me? And you have to set the next step for you because you can't let this person continue to have control of this deal because they don't know what the hell they're doing and they're going to crash the airplane.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.